So, you know how my new thing is? Like what DJ Loves Turbo does? Very inspiring, right? We look at the comments and then we check out their accounts. Now, this person here, Gavin's Life Productions 1, they comment, I love feet, and also, I heard you fart, it smelled pretty good. Now, we go over to their account here, and how do they have 225 subscribers? All they post is trains, 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 nothing but trains. We scroll down. I listened to this song. It's really trashy. I'm not gonna waste your guys' time. It's very, very horrible. I mean, you comment on my videos, very disturbing things. I am going to roast you and expose you for who you are. So, I mean, Trains, a pathetic FedEx song. That is not Jeff Bezos' brother. Backyard pond builds. That's not true. I mean, okay. I mean, what is this? Like anything about trains? Please like and subscribe. I do a lot of random things on my channel. Okay, cool. Yeah, no one's gonna subscribe to you, dude. And these 225 people, they just subscribe to you to make you feel better.